Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we have Quick Tip Tuesdays. Okay, well, Tuesday, not Tuesdays, duh. Today my tip is to always use leave-in conditioner after you wash your hair. I mean, you can even use it, say like I'm gonna use some now because my hair feels, you know, dry, been out all day in the sun, so I need a lot of moisture back in. After I wash my hair, I always use a leave-in conditioner because you need to put back all that moisture that you just took out with the shampoo, then you deep condition, and now you want to seal everything back with a leave-in conditioner. My favorite one is Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In with argan oil, or just the normal one. I've been using this ever since I transitioned and then clipped my ends and went fully natural. That's some years ago, and I always come back to this one. I use other ones as well, like some weeks I might use the Dr. Miracle's leave-in, or the Shea Moisture leave-ins, but this is my holy grail right here. So always use a leave-in conditioner. If you find that your hair, you know, after you wash it, deep condition, like it still feels dry and you don't use a leave-in conditioner, this is probably what you're missing. Put this on with an oil. I might braid it up, leave it, put this on with an oil, use like a styler, and that shall set me good. So guys, always remember to use a leave-in conditioner. Alright guys, see you next week for Quick Tip Tuesday. Okay, now time for me to twist my hair up. Water, leave-in, styler. Bye. See, instantly brings my hair back to life. Moisture has regained. Is that even the correct term? No, moisture has been restored. That's it. Moisture has been restored. Now let's finish the rest of this mane.